Hello everyone, Wade from HiTechLegion here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of the AiCloud features for the ASUS WRT firmware. So what I've done here is I've hooked up the router and I've plugged in an external USB 3 hard drive to the USB 3 port. And what we have here on the front main page of the router is the device showing up. So we can click on that device and you can set up the media server or the AI disk, remove it from the router. You can also do a scan as well as schedule a scan to check for any problems with the hard drive. So that's a good thing just if you're using it for your backup. So you can set up the scan so that every so often it checks it just to make sure that it's okay. So if we go to our USB applications page now, it shows our app list and we can set up an AI disk. We'll go through the AI disk wizard and set limitless access rights, or we can set limited access rights or just admin rights. In this case, I'm going to set just admin rights so that you would have to know the administrator password for the router to be able to access this device. We're going to put in a DDNS name, HTL test.asuscom.com, and click Finish. What we've done is we've successfully set up DDNS, so we're able to access this from outside of the network. Cloud functionality here. We can set up Cloud Disk here, turn that on, press OK to accept the terms for Cloud Disk. Here we're going to turn on the password protection feature. So if the password is entered wrong 3 times in 2 minutes, the AiCloud account's locked, so that anybody trying to brute force into the system is unable to do so. So we also have a log file here for the AiCloud, so anything that's been changed on our AiCloud will have a log entry put into here. You can also use the Smart Sync to be able to add an account for your ASUS web storage so that your AiCloud syncs with your ASUS web storage account. Let's take a look at the AiCloud app on an Android device. It's also available for iPhone, but I have an Android device, so I will show you that and how that all connects in and works.
So here we have a look at the ASUS AiCloud app on the Android devices. So what you see here is you've got 5 tabs. We've got a home button, a favorite button, your router button, a filter so you can filter out different devices and things like that, and your settings. You can use Wake on LAN under here. You can put a security code in so only you can access this app. Some miscellaneous settings, clear the cache, and a quick setup. Quick setup runs you through this prompt, which I've actually already done. So if you run through the quick setup, you put in your router information and it will help you get running. Since I've already run through that, I'll show you the more advanced way to do it. So if you go to your router tab, you can press the plus button and put in all your information here, and then click next to have your router show up. So we've got our AC56U router here and all our information in. And so if I click to expand my AC56U router, I have my USB disk plugged in. And if I click on that, it goes to connect. I have my shared folder in there, And I have a test video in there that we can play right over our AI Cloud on my phone.
Hello everyone, this is Wade with HiTechLegion, and with over 1,000 videos
Buffered
uploaded,
just a little
if you
bit,
haven't seen it
but
here, you may not have seen it anywhere. As you
video
know,
plays
the
very smoothly
R9
once it gets the
and
buffering
R7
done.
series from
So this is
AMD
a great
were
way to
recently
store your
released.
media and be able to play it anywhere you'd like. Get back to the home screen here, and I can actually click the right here and the little arrow here, and you can change the login account if you have certain folders set up so that only certain logins can get it, or you can hide the device itself. If I open it up again, I can click the down arrow next to my shared folder and sync it, or I can add it to my favorites. So now that I've added my shared folder to my favorites, I can just go to my favorites tab and click on the shared folder and get to the same place I was before much quicker. So if you set up a folder for music, set up a folder for videos, pictures, etc. like that, you'll be able to get to them very quickly if you just favorite them. You can also have more than one router on here. So for example, at another home, if you have another router, you can set that up and put another device on it. That's just a quick overview of the AI Cloud app on the Android device, and overview of the setup for AI Cloud on the router itself. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For the full review of the router, please see www.HiTechLegion.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter pages. Take care.